Hi, in this tutorial you will learn how to add bin to the Spring context using the stereotype annotation. Here we use the add bin annotation. In this tutorial you will learn how to use it using the stereotype annotation. Okay, so to use it using the stereotype annotation, first, to make the example clear, let's clear all this and save this. Now we doesn't have bin in the Spring context. Okay, so now here is where we define the book. So we need to add the annotation, that is stereotype annotation, to this, that is to mark it as a Spring bin class. Okay, so the stereotype annotation we will use is the add component. Now we mark it using the stereotype annotation. On how to get this, so we will use the add component scan. Using the add component scan, Spring will search for this inside these packages and look for all the classes that have the stereotype annotation, and it will pick it. Okay, so let's save these changes and then let's go to the special class, that is the app config. We said that app config is a special class that we use to instruct a Spring to do something, like to add bin and so many works. So here we will instruct the Spring to look for all these that have the stereotype annotation inside these packages, and we specify the package. Since that we have only one package and sub packages, we will just specify these coding techniques. Okay, so what we'll do next, now let's have the add component scan. Add component scan, we use the add component scan to look for all these classes that we define. If we have as many classes, it will pick if it has the stereotype annotation. Okay, let's choose the add component scan and then base packages. Okay, here with the string, then we specify. Here is the name of the package, coding techniques. Coding techniques. Okay, we specify the name of this package. Here is it. Inside this package we have sub packages, and out of the sub packages we have a bins package, and inside it we have the book.java where we have the add component. Here are the two instructions. The first instruction is that we are telling the Spring that this is the class that we want to be added as a bin, and how to search it, we inside the app config we are telling the Spring how to search it. It is inside the coding techniques package. Okay, now let's go to the app.java where we have the main class. Now we will look at this with the type. We have the type, so let's look at this. You can see we will have null because we doesn't give it a name. It is just a definitions that we define a title and the auto. Okay, so let's go back to the app. So try to run this, save. Okay, you see we have for the title we have null, and we also have the auto null, but we have it inside, we have one bin inside the Spring context. How to confirm this is that the field are null. If it doesn't have it, it will throw an exception. Okay, this is how to add bin to the Spring context using stereotype annotation, and in the next tutorial you will learn how to use add post construct annotation to set these names that we will add the dependency, and you can see we will print the name for the stereotype annotation.